Hello, moi Mamla. Amnangiluna Nes Nagamis News. Nagaland naga nutun governor Jagdish Mukhi kun aji shapat lushi tai selflessly or tirelessly naga manukhangi serve kuro kushe. Tai kushe iso pra Nagaland tai introduce kuida pichide naga manukhan naga jaga or culture logodi bishi close kushe. Nagaland de flora our fauna age all tradition our culture kan acknowledgement our respect deserve kure our Nagaland ge India laga cultural hub bunaole sop manu aki logore miligina kam krule matishe tai Nagaland inclusive ecosystem or optimum opportunities kude jawan chokri khan state transform kule contribute kruwo paria mother dule mona sikushe tai Indo Naga peace talks jai thagya de comprehensive or inclusive solution joldi paule confidence ase.
Brothers, sisters and beloved children of Nagaland, I extend my warm greetings to you all on my assumption of office as the Governor of Nagaland. I am deeply honored and humbled by the solemn dignity attached with the office that I have just assumed. I am grateful to the Honorable President of India and Honorable Prime Minister of India. I will remain steadfastly committed to my constitutional responsibilities. At this solemn moment, I take a pledge that I shall dedicate myself selflessly and tirelessly to the service of the people of Nagaland, lying on the eastern frontier of our motherland. Friends, God introduced me to this beautiful land, people, and its vivid culture decades ago, and since then, my relationship with you has grown ever deeper and is deeply emotional. I am grateful to the people of Nagaland for showering their abundant love and affection and solicit your trust in me. I look upon my present assignment as God's wish and commandment to serve you to the best of my ability and assure you that I shall strive my utmost for the same. Nagaland is an embodiment of the Indian national exhibiting unity in diversity, diverse in its ethnicity, and unified by Naga identity. The rich tapestry of Naga culture and tradition exemplifies that. I am pleased to know that some of our products have got a GI tag recently with such unique flora and fauna. It's age-old culture and tradition. We have a lot to be proud of and that needs such a recognition. Still, there are many such things that deserve such acknowledgement and respect. We'll work together to make Nagaland the culture hub of India and dreamt about and sought after tourist destination. We have brilliant and one of the finest young people in the world. They have excelled wherever and whichever field they have gone into and served. My endurance would be to help create an inclusive ecosystem of optimum opportunities for them here in Nagaland so that they also contribute in the transformation of Nagaland. In this journey, I expect an equal partnership of our mothers and daughters. Health, hygiene, and education have always been a core objective of the government. We are improving on the Sustainable Development Goal indicators. Climate change is an area where we need to look deeply and act swiftly and comprehensively. Friends, in recent times, Nagaland has witnessed an unprecedented pace of growth, especially access to affordable health and education facilities, better connectivity, and infrastructure. I strongly believe that the optimal blending of people centric technology, public policies and their implementation will push the present pace to a higher place and help us focus on her benchmark. Undoubtedly, COVID-19 has brought new challenges for all of us. This global crisis has made us introspect about exciting gaps and think about the possibilities. With the dedicated health workers and other frontline workers and awake people of Nagaland, we are gradually recovering from this crisis and becoming even stronger. Under the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing towards its long awaited glorious destiny. The people of the country have revalidated and reinforced their trust in him time and again. His vision of Atma Nirbhar and Sashakt Bharat has redefined the welfare policies and schemes and made the schemes reach to the last man in the timely and effective manner. Naga political issue also has covered a remarkable path of progress under his guidance. I am confident that soon we will have a comprehensive and inclusive solution ensuring utmost honor and dignity to the Naga people. At this crucial occasion, I call upon the great people of Nagaland, especially the youth, to arise, awake, and partner in the development of Nagaland, of our dreams, in Nagaland for everyone, in Nagaland that is self-assured, exciting greater confidence, assurance, and human leadership, and futurist vision, and a Nagaland that will shine as the eastern star of our Indian nation. May God be with us in our mission. Thank you. Jai Hind.